Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I grab something that we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today with us, we're going to be talking about the B2 Audio Rage Micro Series 1000 watt half bridge 1 ohm stable amplifier, or the B2 RAGE-MI-1000. Prepare to unleash raw power with the B2 Audio RAGE-MI Series 1000 Monoblock 1 ohm stable micro amplifier. This isn't just another amp, it's a compact beast designed to dominate your car audio setup. With a relentless 1000 watts of RMS power at 1 ohm, it's ready to push out your speakers to their limits and beyond. Engineered with a Class D Monoblock circuit configuration, this amplifier delivers thunderous bass with precision. Its low-pass crossover ensures that every note hits with bone-shaking intensity, while its up to 95 decibel signal-to-noise ratio guarantees clarity even in the midst of chaos. Don't underestimate its size. Measuring at just 7.91 inches by 4.33 inches by 1.81 inches, this amplifier packs a punch that will leave your competition trembling. So, if you're ready to take car audio to the next level, buckle up and prepare for the ride of your life with the B2 Audio RAGE-MI Series 1000 watts Monoblock Amplifier. Now, let's get talking to prices. The B2 RAGE-MI-1000 comes down to $219.95. And if you want to get this item, you can purchase it at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/B2audio. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel. And also make sure to comment something you would like to see unboxed. In the meantime, thanks for watching.